Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the Excel Home tab, the place where you'll spend most of your time when working in spreadsheets. Whether you're brand new to Excel or just need a quick refresher, this 5-minute guide will help you master the essentials. Let's jump right in. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button so you don't miss future Excel tutorials. If you find this video helpful, drop a comment below and feel free to share it with anyone who's learning Excel. Your support really helps the channel grow. First up, we have the Clipboard group on the far left. This is where you'll find the familiar commands: cut, copy, paste, and the super powerful Format Painter. Cut and copy move or duplicate your content, and paste lets you place it anywhere in your sheet. Format Painter is one of Excel's hidden gems. It copies the formatting from one cell and applies it to others. It's perfect when you want a consistent look across your workbook. Next is the font group. This is your mini design center in Excel. Here you can change the font style, size, bold, italic, underline, and even add cell borders. You can also change the fill color behind a cell and the font color itself. These settings make your data easier to read and help emphasize key information that if you're making reports or dashboards, this section becomes your best friend. Moving over, we have the alignment group. This controls how text sits inside a cell. You can align content left, center, or right, and also adjust vertical alignment, top, middle, or bottom. You can rotate text sideways, which is great for labels and narrow columns. Wrap text makes long text fit inside a cell without spilling over, and merge and center combines multiple cells into one, typically for titles. Whenever you want your sheet to look clean and organized, alignment tools are essential. Next is the number group. This is where you change how numbers appear. You can choose formats like general, number, currency, accounting, percentage, date, and more. There are also buttons to increase or decrease decimal places that if you're dealing with money, percentages, or measurements. Formatting ensures your data makes sense and looks professional. Now let's look at the styles group. Here you'll find conditional formatting, which highlights cells based on their values. Super useful for spotting trends or outliers. You can also convert ranges into tables, which adds filtering and built-in formatting. And the Cell Styles menu gives you ready-made themes that instantly change how your data looks. Up next is the Cells group. This is where you manage the structure of your sheet. You can insert or delete rows, columns, or individual cells. The Format menu lets you adjust row height, column width, hide or unhide sheets, and even lock cells when protecting your workbook. Then we have the editing group that AutoSum quickly calculates totals, averages, max, and min values. Fill helps you repeat patterns, like dragging dates or numbers down a column. Clear removes formatting or content. Sort and filter organizes your data, and find and select helps you quickly locate specific words or numbers. And finally, on the far right, we have the analysis and add-ins section. Here you can open Excel's built-in data analysis tools, use the quick analysis features, and load additional add-ins to extend Excel's capabilities. And that's it. You now have a complete overview of the Excel Home tab. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorial videos.